Hi friends, I'm Aarti Bhatia, and today is a very important topic that I'm going to tell you and discuss about. This is a topic which is very near to my heart. This is a topic which is very nowadays it is very common also. There are so many people that have been asking me about their twin flames, their soulmates, their karmic relationships. See, on this earth, we have taken birth for learning, learning our lessons, learning what we had asked for as souls, part of the Param Soul, this consciousness, the universal consciousness, which is Paramatma. The universal consciousness has given us the power to learn, and our souls have decided on their own to learn experiences, feelings, lessons, and through these lessons only we need to learn what is going on in our life. Why are we here? What is the purpose of our life? Why have we taken birth? What is the service that we need to do? See, one thing is for sure, we are here to do service, service of mankind, service of humanity in any which form. If you are a magician, through music you're serving people. If you are a cook, a chef, you're doing it with your cooking. If you are a doctor, you're serving people through your medicines or your healing powers, or healers also include this. If you are an advocate, then you are healing the conflicts and the fights. If you are people like us, psychics, you are again consciously giving them ease. So humanity and the service of humanity, if you're in administration again, then you are healing people through your work. So humanity is one thing that you know, that you have to serve people, you have to serve humanity, you have to serve everyone. We are here to actually do. First we have to acknowledge ourselves, first we have to find ourselves, first we have to actually see what you're passionate about. This can give you not only money, but it can give you recognition also, and awakening and enlightenment too. These must be the lessons you are here to learn. To heal, to heal yourself first. The first and foremost duty of anybody is to heal themselves. Souls are here to take lessons, to learn lessons. I always say, the moment you've learned the lesson, the experience is not going to repeat. The experience will go away. Even if it is a worst experience of your life, it will go away the moment you say and feel and actually feel uh, that you've learned the lesson, whatever lesson you've learned. It could be to live on your own, it could be to live independently, it could be to be financially fit, it could be to be independent, it could be to just express yourself properly in front of anyone, not fear. It could be to help others. It could be to be too humble because you may not be that. There are so many things that we need to learn in this lifetime. It's not all about money. Money is one part, career is one part, which is very essential, because once you've achieved your career and your money issues, you would try to introspect on your own. The introspection is one part which is very necessary. See, you have to learn to see what is inside you, what do you actually want, and in that just only you want to see you and meet and experience your twin flame. First, I must tell you what the twin flame is. See, there are three categories in that. I would just distribute it to three parts. One is that we have relationships with our soulmates. Our soulmates are the group of souls which are always together. We take birth around them only. They are always around us. It could be your family member, it could be your sister, brother, mother, father. Soulmates could be anyone, even your pets could be your soulmates, giving you solace at in in the time of needs. And soulmate could be a partner, life partner also. So through their healing, through their help, through their guidance, motivation, one can achieve the highest self. One can actually see what is in there for you. That is the love of God. It could be really very easy for one who has a soulmate, who's a kind soulmate, who's a soulmate who's connected, you can feel connected with. The second part is karmic relationship, which we most of us see, and there are so many karmic connections, and we feel a lot of karmic connections. We have to abide by them, even if we don't like them. We have to go through the relationships. At times, karmic relationships are just here to take or give something, or to take away what we have done through the karmic processes only of the past life karmas. You have to give back to them, or you have to take that something from them. So that is a give and take relationship. The moment the karma fulfills itself, the karmic relations will go away from your life. So they are not that stable kind of relationship. They are relationships which are here to give us a lesson, because they are here to take up something from us due to the past life karmas, or they are here to give us something. So at times people ask me, is this a karmic relationship? I'm so, why do we meet only? Why do we have to meet when we had such a bad experience? Why did you meet? Why actually God make us meet? It could be a karmic relationship that you have to meet. And as far as soulmates are concerned, soulmates can be many. At one point of time in your life, you can have at least two soulmates around you, who will be guiding you, who will be helping you, who will be actually making you see things, and for your highest growth also. But twin flame, that's another matter. Twin flames are souls which are actually divided into two. So in yourself you are complete, both the portions are complete, but you are exactly mirror of each other. Twin flames are part of the same soul, part of the same essence, same soul essence. You are one soul. Together you get complete with each other. But as separate entities, you are complete in yourself. But yes, you could be mirror of each other. You are actually mirror of each other. You could be mirroring your emotions, your feelings, your behavior. It's very interesting, because when you meet your soulmate, you don't even know them, yet you know them fully. You don't even have the fortune to meet them properly, or to know about them, or it's not at ages that you have seen them. It could be only days that you have met, and you know that this could be the person, because he is your soulmate or she is your soulmate, and you know that. That is one thing you had to, why you've taken birth. Because your soulmate could be one. You could be soulmate to someone whom you are inspiring, motivating, helping around. But twin flame is just one. You have to be one with the twin flame, so that you can actually feel the essence of God. That is for unconditional love. There are no conditions attached here. You have to just give to receive that essence of love. And yes, you're going to get there. Most of the twin flames meet, reawaken, see each other, temporarily spiritual awakening. You feel too much connected. You feel, if you're not prepared, any of you are not prepared, then the meeting will go wasted, in the sense that you will meet, you will test each other, you will go into some crisis, and then there will be a running stage where one is a runner, the other is a chaser, and then finally both of you will surrender to the feeling, what you have been feeling for each other, or the unconditional love, the unconditional connection, and then surrender will lead to spiritual awakening and illumination. That is your oneness. That is what you're here for. That is what God's essence will give you. That is the God's essence you are going to feel through your soulmate. So many a time people say this is a phase where he's running away from us, or from me especially, or she's running away from me, she's not understanding the plight I'm in, and I'm chasing the person, and this person is just running away. It could be a stage, and there are stages where you should know. It's so painful actually, that you have to know, you have to actually know how to handle yourself, how to come out of that pain, how to be so connected with the person. At the same time, your essence shouldn't be lost, because this is a very touch and go kind of situation where you can actually doom away with everything whatever you've learned, and you might have to start afresh. In this series only, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to coach you how to be connected with your twin flame if you are not already connected with him or her, how to find, how to be awakened, what to do when you meet. If you are already in the runner and chaser stage, what to do to ease the pain, the amount of pain that you're feeling at this moment, how to get about it, how to get on with your life, why this relationship is giving you so much pain, why is this relationship not a sweeter one. Soulmates could be very sweet, but twin flame is exactly a mirror. Exactly what you're feeling for the person will be reflected back. It could be you in a parallel form. So you have to be very, very positive here. You have to be very, very learned and awakened soul. This is for your highest good. He has or she has come in your life to give you unconditional love, to give you unconditional love for you also. See, I don't love myself that much. I know I have to self love myself. I have to be more, to be a priority for myself. But I, in front of my kids or my partner or my family or my parents, may or may not act that I am self love driven. But this could be one lesson that I need to learn, that I have to prioritize myself. I prioritize others. Can't I prioritize myself? Can't I live for myself? This is what life is about. This could be one lesson that I need to learn. And maybe a soulmate being very self oriented, teaching me, teaching me how to be, maybe a twin flame being so much self oriented could be teaching me how to be in love with myself, how to be at the highest position, highest self of myself. This appears to be very easy to understand. It's not. It's very painful, and only the person who has undergone and seen the twin flames relationship can be ready to understand. Any soul who's ready will come to this channel and actually be connected to me. In the coming series, at least 10 lessons would be given. This is first of the series, and I will be making 9 more videos on the topic. Please do listen to me, and if you want your twin flame to come back to you, if you want your twin flame to be attached to you, please come over. I invite you all with all my love inside me, with universal love. Please be connected. Thank you so much, friends. Please, please, please subscribe my channel and be connected with me. Thank you so much. Thank you.